As you know, neuroscience and neuroinformatics are the booming and trending area. Here are a table summarizing programming language commonly used in computational neuroscience. The number one is Python due to its simplicity and extensive libraries option with a strong community support. The another one in the list is Matlab, which has a comprehensive tool-based convenient metrics operation and visualization capabilities. The another one is R, which is primarily used for statistical analysis, data visualization and suitable for analyzing neuro data. The fourth one in the list is Julia due to the high performance computing capabilities and easily integration with its existing scientific library. Lastly, Java, which is a versatile platform independent language suitable for large scale computational neuroscience projects. I hope you have liked the session. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. If you are interested in exploring and learning neuroinformatics, please feel free to reach us. Thank you.